Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Makeup Without Limitations. And today is the collab with the group Keeping It Real Fun. Our collab theme is National Piano Month is in September. And it's all during September, we take time to honor every piano. It's National Piano Month. The entire month pays tribute to pianists everywhere, piano makers, and those who enjoy piano music. I am going to create a black and white eyeshadow look because National Piano Month, the keys on the pianos are black and white. So that's our theme for today. All the ladies that are taking part in today's video collab, their information is in my description box. Please click on their links and it will take you to the video to see what eye look that they created. Hello and welcome. If you're new here, my name is V. I have hooded eyes. I like to create all kinds of makeup look. If that is something you like, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so when I post a video, you will see it. Thank you. I have most of my base on. I am using the Blend the Bunny Cosmetics. It's the Premium palette. It is no longer available as far as I know, but there is a big black hair and a big white hair. So I'm going to use these two shades. I have a very small e.l.f. brush. I'm going to go in the black first, and I'm going to put it in the inner corner. In the quiet section of the video, I will put a piano music to play. The first piano was invented in the 17th century. The first piano had 54 keys. On a standard modern piano, there are 88 keys, 52 white keys and 36 black keys. White keys have natural notes. Black keys have the sharps or the flats. The note pattern repeats every 12 keys. 88 key helps the composer to access both very low bass and very high treble notes. National Piano Month, and the theme is black and white eyeshadow look. This is my look. I put black in the inner corner and black in the outer corner, and a white key is in the middle. So it's a halo piano eye look. Let me know what you think in the comments. Today's item, it came from the comment and it reads, I will not be shaken, for God is my rock and my fortress. I will not be shaken because God is my rock and my fortress. I love those items. Keep them coming because I do write them down and I do use them. Always remember, God is your rock and your fortress. Whoever you pray to, whoever you worship, remember, they are your rock and your fortress. I appreciate you very much. Please remember to watch this video all the way to the end because it truly does help me on YouTube. And I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for sharing my videos. Continue to share them. And as always, until I see you and you see me, remember who your rock and your fortress is. Never ever give up on yourself. Always know that you are loved and trust yourself. Trust yourself. I thank you dearly. See you in the next video. Bye.